Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lipinki, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Terra Luna is at minus 100%. So, well, it went down all the way. And also another very important news that exchanges just like Binance suspended Luna and UST. The second thing I would like to talk about is that big airline company Emirates has announced that they actually will take Bitcoin as a payment in the future. And then we have, Robinhood's shares spikes 30% after Sam Bankman-Fried buys, 650 million stake. So what's the plan for Mr. Sam Bankman-Fried with this? Guys, let's talk about this in today's video. And don't forget that if you'd like to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. Guys, actually, it was on the 10th of May. I totally forgot about it because of this big hassle we have right now. That Blockchain Bloom YouTube channel became 2 years old. And I would like to say thank you for all your support here. And it's great to be here. We are 2 years old now. And of course, we continue because I think it's very important to keep the people up to date. And also, subscribe if you like this kind of content and hit the like button. Check out the links also under the video because there are many useful ones. Okay, and now let's have a look at the prices because we have seen so many red numbers recently, and now finally we can see some green ones. So here we go. Bitcoin is up almost 9% in the last 24 hours, above 30,000 with $627. Then we have Ethereum, 2,111, 9% also up. When we're looking at the top gainers, Tappen, 67, Gala, 63, Decent at 54. What a day. Of course, look, in a 1 week time, these guys all went down significantly. So that's why we have this rally today. And do we have losers? Yes, of course. Who else than Terra USD? Then we have Pax Gold going down, but yeah, well, basically that's it. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, now we can see that we're back to this level, here at around 30,000, which is a very important support level. We have witnessed these levels. We formed a new low since 2020. So basically, in the 2 years, we haven't seen this. It was 25,000 something, but very fast, Bitcoin at least recovered and came back to here, to this position, around 30. So that's where we are right now. Okay, and now it's time to move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about the Terra Luna. Well, kind of game over because it's down minus 100%. Actually, I've never seen something like this, that a top 10 coin, Terra Luna, can lose 100% in a couple of days. The whole hassle started really a couple of days ago. We do know all of the story that, UST started to lose its peg to $1. And obviously, what's happening in that case, to increase the value of the UST and bring it back, you have to burn UST. And what's happening at the same time with the algorithm as it works, it making Terra. And what happened with all this, that Terra's circulating supply went up like just crazy. Let me show it here. Look, here we have it. On the 9th, we just have 345 million of Terra. Here went up a little bit, but then the crazy thing started. It went up from 1.5 billion on the 11th, and then we had 158 billion on the 12th, and we have more than 6.5 trillion today on the 13th. And yes, let me show it to you. There we see the number minus 100%. Now it's flat. So, well, even if you can say it's 0.0000, and maybe it's 99.999 whatever, but you know, this is now 100%. And when we're looking at now, obviously UST, 10 cent, nothing to do with the $1, you know. So basically, to any chance for Terra to start Terra Luna 2 or whatever, but they definitely have to move UST because it's killing it. It was killing it. Even the blockchain is not working anymore. And well, major news also that the Binance suspend Luna and UST, you know, trading. And they said they now wait and they will see how the whole thing settled before they put back Luna withdrawals or whatever. So we will see how this whole thing will play out. This shook the market significantly. Now it started to some recovery because pretty much now we see that the game over in this way, that it's 100% down. USD cannot make it to the right now to the $1 peg. Other stable coins, even Tether was not in a danger, but like you could see that there was a sell-off in Tether, but then that recovered. USDC is doing fine. So now the market is getting calmer and calmer. And yes, so now we see where we're going right now. Now is a relief rally what we have right now, but does it last long or not? We should see, because still the situation in the world where we are right now economically is still looking bad. And this was the main force which pushed down the crypto market as well recently, until we haven't witnessed this kind of UST Luna attack. And that, you know, had a really crazy mess up here on this crypto field. But now things getting settled, and then maybe the clouds moving away and we start to see a bit more clearer. But for many days you have just no idea what's going on really and how deep it can go down. Okay, so this was the first topic I wanted to share with you guys. The second thing is actually good news, which is all about that Emirates, a pretty big airline, it has announced that they're going to accept Bitcoin as payment. We have seen so far many companies, they turn to cryptocurrencies saying, okay, you can pay with crypto at them. And now we have a new one, a pretty big one, Emirates Airline. And they said the Bitcoin payment and the payment service is coming. So in addition, also the airline said that it will add non-fungible tokens, NFTs, collectibles onto the website. So they're really going into this crypto direction. Of course, here they're saying that they haven't announced when exactly the Bitcoin payment service will start. But guess what, guys? From now, that on, whenever they're starting, you can simply use your crypto. You don't have to use your fiat, and you can fly Emirates. And I'm pretty sure that many crypto fans, they're saying that okay, they made some nice gains in crypto. They would like to fly first class or whatever, and simply they can do it with the crypto. So I think this is major, and major in a way that big companies taking crypto on board shows other companies, even smaller ones or other big ones, this could be the way. And then it really just takes a matter of months, years, you name it, then more and more companies will be on board with Bitcoin payment. Okay, and now the third topic is all about Mr. Sam Bankman-Fried, as he bought Robinhood share for big money. Well, it looks like that people investing in other fields, we have Elon Musk buying a big amount of Twitter share first place, and then, kind of buying Twitter. And now we have Sam Bankman-Fried, who bought actually even not that much, but how Elon started also, 7.6% stake in the company Robinhood. And because of this, actually, Robinhood's price went up 30%. So he basically spent $650 million to get this. And that means, well, almost, right? So 648 million Robinhood shares, an average of $11.52, so 52 cents. And the announcement seems to have provide Robinhood investors with some short-term relief after the stock price reached a new all-time low of $7.73 on the March 12th, so not long ago, just one day after the brokerage firm revealed that its crypto transaction revenue fell 39% year-over-year. Well, but we do know that Sam Bankman-Fried is, one of the owners of FTX exchange. So now the big question is, what is his plan? This is just an investment in Robinhood because the price was down and, let's buy when the price is down. Or actually there will be some, partnership between FTX. Maybe FTX going to, sell some stock or other vice versa in a way that, Robinhood wasn't very strong as here in the statement. And the revenue fell 39% in these crypto transactions. And FTX will bring now the help because of this. It's interesting, but definitely Sam did it for a reason, and how this whole thing will develop, we're going to see that. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like this kind of content, and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain videos every single weekday. So I'm back on Monday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.